Whoa. Holy crap. It's just like ignited. It's like someone
looks like the side of the
poured fucking gas on it.
It'll burn out in a second.
No, it won't.
No?
It's just exploding.
Wax, man. Yeah, it's just gonna burn away all the wax.
Not like a giant torch like that.
Yeah.
What if like a family was camping and their kid's face was like playing games over this like candle? And it starts like fireworking.
Because it didn't take very long for it to happen, especially before.
My God.
It looks like the sides of the bucket are on fire.
It's like tin or something, isn't it?
The black rim around the top is helping the flame burn. Because I've never seen a candle black like that.
Whoa.
There we go. Yeah, I gotta get some more air going down there.
Oh yeah, and ignite it even more.
I don't want to get too close because it's actually gonna explode in your face if it goes. Like, you popped pretty good yesterday. Yeah, see. Only if it's a little bit bigger. Man,
What if it just like blew the fuck up?
Should I throw my cigarette in it?
What's that gonna do?
I don't know. I don't think I can get
There's
it.
already fire in it.
I don't think I can hit it from here. It's not a likely situation.
just drop it in there.
I don't want to put it in there.
Oh my God!
This thing's awesome! It's got a mind of its own,
Dude.
man. Did you get that video?
Yeah.
That's mint.
I definitely did.
Oh!
you got in there.
Oh, it's definitely a lot.
That's fucking cool.
It's a little weird, like it's possessed.
This is a devil fire. This is like Satan fire right here.
Yeah, it's like probably killing us too, breathing it in.
That's in it.
Okay.
Yeah.
There's some sort of napkin and
Everyone blowing at once.
no, I don't want to do that.
Oh, this is evil. Stand over here.
I'd rather see. Yeah. There's my candies over here. Oh, nice mini Twizzler.
Ooh. It's like the, you know, Channel 4 Christmas time, the fireplace that's always going.
It takes a long time for it to go out too.
Well, how did you get it out the other night?
With a paddle.
Oh, you had to like
But it kept
straight up
lifting
cut
it,
the air off.
When we lifted it, it smoked like crazy, and all of a sudden it went poof, and then ignited again.
What if you put water in it? Do you think that's like a chemical reaction? Like
It's
probably
probably
go
one of
up
those like oil, like water and oil is like
A boom boom.
it's just like wax, right? So
a big.
yeah. Just use the side. There's one side that has all wood on one side. Yeah.
oh, you're gonna fuck it up.
It's hot.
Oh man.
Sounds like a deep fryer. Whoa!
I told you.
How does that happen?